Hello again, welcome to another Junkyard Finds. First one in a while, but this is a cool car, so I couldn't pass it up. The first thing you might notice is that although it's an AMC Eagle, for some reason it's in the GM section here. Clearly the current employees do not know where to stick an AMC, even though the only other AMC Eagle I've ever found in the junkyard was actually at this same yard, and it was in the Chrysler car section. But maybe they got new employees and they don't know what a AMC actually is. So this one's got the 4.2 liter straight six. Nice looking valve cover. You can definitely, well, I think there's been some repairs. Yeah, there's definitely been some repairs at some point on this, which is not surprising. Fortunately, this one's in for I think pretty obvious reasons. Got a bag dent in the front, but it gets worse when you get to the back. Yeah, I don't know if it rolled over or what, but this thing's days are over, unfortunately. This one's an 83, at least according to the yard. It's not always accurate though. But we can take a look inside. It's got some fantastic simulated wood paneling. It's a little logo right here. I don't know if that's an AMC logo or Eagle logo or what, but the wood grain interior continues the inside. It's got the original 2-knob radio too, which is pretty fantastic. You got your vents. That looks like a 5-digit odometer there, I believe. I'll get around the other side so I can take a better look. But automatic. Take a look at the back seat too. And the crushed trunk. It's got some of the wheel covers, not on that one, but this with the 4x4 logo. And then you got the AMC logo here on the mirrors. Grill got ruined. Take a look on the driver's side. Oh, here's where you engage. Oh, so you gotta stop this, flip this. It's hard to do one-handed, but pull that, put it in 4-wheel drive. I'm not sure what that is. Lights, wipers, the vent knobs here, park and brake. Hood releases on that side. Oops. Yeah, that is 87,420. But I don't know if that's 187,000, 287,000. I mean, the car doesn't look too bad in shape, so it might be just 187,000. Doubt it's just 87,000 though. And I think it was. Let's see if I can get this right. A roof rack car. Got the holes for the roof rack there. I don't know if they all had roof racks. I don't think they did. The back end. Filler neck is the behind the license plate. And then this right here, I assume it's to put air pressure in your spare tire. I assume that's what it's for. It's a little straighter valve right there. These cars are pretty cool. They're definitely, I would take one if I got the opportunity to buy one. Yeah. Sad to see it wrecked, but hey, that's how it goes sometimes.